November 2022. OpenAI has released a conversational application of its language model GPT-3. By its extraordinary capabilities of generating human-like text, it has took the world by storm. If you are curious to know about this game-changing discovery in the field of conversational AI, then you are at the right place. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Ahmed Zaidi. I work as a chief data scientist, and in this space, I create content on the topic that are relevant to analytics and challenges a data scientist face in their daily work. In this video, I'll walk you through the capabilities and limitations of ChatGPT and how you can use it with your Python code. So sit back and enjoy your next few minutes. Generative Pre-trained Transformer Generation 3 is the base model for ChatGPT, and it's trained on supercomputer developed for OpenAI. It has 285K CPU cores, 10K GPU, and 400 gigs per second network connectivity for each GPU server. Most of the training data comes from Common Crawl. That's an organization that crawls the web and provides data from Google Books and from Wikipedia. Now, if I talk about parameters, these are configuration variables internal to a model and are estimated during the training process of the model. When it comes to GPT-3, it uses 175 billion parameters. The nearest in this segment, Turing NLG from Microsoft, uses 17 billion parameters. Google's BERT model uses just 110 million parameters. In order to register for ChatGPT, you need to use this link. You need to register here, which is fairly a simple process and free for now. But there are indications that this is going to be monetized soon. Once the registration process is completed, you will have access to this portal. And let's have some fun. So this is a space where you can type your questions. I've asked ChatGPT to give me a story with Chacha Chaudhary and Iron Man. And here you go. Chacha Chaudhary, for those of you who don't know, is a comic character, very famous in India among kids of 90s. And ChatGPT is giving me a story. It's talking about Iron Man and Chacha Chaudhary were both superheroes with incredible powers. It's saying that one day Chacha Chaudhary is investigating a crime in the city, and then together Iron Man and Chacha Chaudhary were able to stop the villain. So basically it gives me a very relevant story, and trust me, this story, at least I haven't heard of any movie or comic where both of these characters came together. It's completely based on the connection between the words that ChatGPT has learned during the training process. It is bringing down the words together and creating some text based on the question that I'm asking. Pretty cool. Let's get a bit professional. So my second one to ChatGPT. Can you write a cover letter for position of data scientist at XYZ company? And here it go. So it's writing something. Dear hiring manager, I'm happy to apply for the data science position at XYZ company. I have master's degree, and it's talking the relevant stuff here. It's talking about collaboration. Cool. Very convincing. So I'm sure you cannot use it as it is, but one thing is pretty clear, that you can use it as a template, make some changes, and use it wherever you want to. Moving on, my third one to ChatGPT. Can you give me a step-by-step plan to clear IES exam in 6 months? And here it goes. It's creating a plan for me. So in the initial glance, the text looked pretty convincing for the question that is being asked. Although it looked generic, but I would say impressive. All right, so let's test some technical capabilities of ChatGPT. Can you write a code to compare logistic regression model and XGBoost model? So what I have read is it's pretty good in terms of writing codes. Let's see. And here it goes. It's importing the packages, loading some data, creating test and train data, logistic regression classifier, XGBoost classifier, printing the accuracy. Superb. So what I'll do, I'll copy this code and take it to my Jupyter notebook. I'll just paste the code that we have copied earlier and I'll run this. So we have the accuracy for logistic regression and XGBoost. We can say that in the training, XGBoost is doing better, but when it comes to test accuracy, logistic regression is outperforming. Let me also quickly show you how you can integrate ChatGPT with your Python codes. So with all due credit to this wonderful Git repository, to begin with, I'll install this pyChatGPT package by using pip install command. I'll just import the packages and I'll create an instance of ChatGPT by passing my secure token. For those of you who don't know how to get the secure token, you can just go to this page, go to inspect, under applications, you have this cookies chat, and this text is your secure token. And I will run this code now. So I'll pass my question to ChatGPT. I'll send this message and let's see what it does. It will print back me this message once the response is received. And here you go. It has given me this nice little text. You copy it and try to find on Google. You will not find exactly the same text there. You run it 10 times a day and it will generate a different text. So let's quickly run the second question where I want to get a code to deploy logistic regression as a Flask app. And let's see what it does. And I have received this piece of code, which is a Flask application that ChatGPT has generated. So literally, this is a code which is generating a code. And now you can imagine where AI is heading to in future. Should you be worried for your job? Not exactly. I'm using it from last few days and I was frequently getting this sort of error. It's still in testing phase and it has limited knowledge of the world after 2021. So I would rather say that you can consider it to be your companion at your work. Along with human creativity, you can use it to add more value to your work. Well, if you enjoyed this video, then please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and take care.